This is for the people that witnessed the assassination of Charlie Kirk. I'm from South Africa. I did not witness that thing firsthand, but it's now for the people that were there in that debate, that witnessed this horrible thing happening. I want to tell you, go seek help. Go talk to a psychiatrist, Go talk to family. Go talk to friends about this, This is something so horrible to witness. If you were there, and you witnessed the killing of Charlie Kirk, just go seek help. You are not you're not a what do you call it? Person with poor identity or someone that's soft in the heart. You witnessed it, my friend. It's something horrible to witness. Go seek help. Go to a mental psychiatrist or psychologist, or you witness something, talk about it, get it out of your system. Otherwise, this thing will stay with you for a very, very long time, and that thing will turn into PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSS, the syndrome thing. But go talk to someone about what you witnessed. You don't have to record it on a video. Like I say, I'm in South Africa. This thing really disturbed me and made me had in my brains a few things to think about. But please, people, if those things, if you are a witness to it, if you're a first-hand witness to it, go talk to someone. If it's not a psychiatrist or the psychologist, talk to a friend or talk to family, and don't let this thing get you down. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm talking to you. I'm speaking the truth, Just go seek help. Go talk to someone about it, Because this horrible thing that you witnessed, yeah, it's horrible. It's a horrible thing that happened, Talk to someone about that, Get it out of your system, and restore yourself. Restore your inner self. I hope you listen to me, Good day to you. Be blessed. Be prosperous, my friends. Don't let this thing get you down. I've been there. I've seen it. I've been there. That's why I give you the advice I'm giving you today. Go talk to someone about this. Get it out of your system as quickly as possible, so that you can have a peaceful life. Now, it's a horrible thing, Rest in peace, Charlie Kirk, Erica, know that your husband is in heaven. He's been taken away from your children. Tell your children every day, that little girl and that little boy there, that their father loved them, although he's not here anymore. He's in heaven watching over them. Enjoy your day, my friends.